Hello and welcome to the course on testing and optimization. I'm super excited that you decided to join. In this course, you will learn a lot and you will have heaps of fun along the way. And this tutorial is designed to give you a quick overview of the structure of the course so you can navigate it better. All right, so let's jump straight into it. So here at the top, we've got the promotional video. That's the one you saw when you were enrolling in the course. And then right away, we've got the introduction section, which is the section we're in right now. So here we've got the overview tutorial, which is this one. We've got the disclaimer. So very important to check out the disclaimer so you understand what this course does show you and what it doesn't show you. So definitely check out the disclaimer. How to get, in fact, don't proceed with the course unless you agree to the disclaimer. Next, how to get the most out of this course, a quick tutorial on how to get the most value out of this course and choosing a Forex broker. So I just threw in a quick tutorial, it's a text tutorial on how to select your Forex broker, or basically who my preferred Forex broker is, because I'm sure you're curious about that. The next section is section 2, theory. So here we've got a couple of tutorials. So this is some theory that we have to go through in order to prepare ourselves for the rest of the course, so we're on the same page. So here we talk about, first of all, I'll show you how to install MetaTrader 4. Then we've got how to navigate the strategy test. So we talk about back tests, forward tests, optimization. So all of those things, the theoretical side of everything. And then we've got a quiz. So make sure to do the quizzes in this course. They are very useful. They will help you assess your knowledge. And also some of the questions are just trick questions. So they'll definitely help you they'll allow you to have a lot of fun along the way. Those quizzes are quite interesting sometimes. All right, preparation. So this section is after we know the theory, now we have to get everything set up. So here you've got the simple system trading system. So I actually share with you here, you can download it. I share with you a Forex robot that I developed, but bear in mind this robot is specifically developed for training purposes in my Forex courses. So do not use this trading robot on real live accounts. This is only for you to practice the concepts that we're talking about in this course. So make sure to keep that in mind, and I will mention that once again when we get to the simple system, and you will also see that on the disclaimer on the page where you can download it. So you get the simple system trading system here. Then I go through some additional modifications that I've made since the very early launch of the course. So students have, we're always interested to see how to work with a trailing stop loss, or, what 5 digits versus 4 digits is. So we've made some modifications there. So we've got a couple of tutorials on that. Then I show you how to download and import data into your MetaTrader 4. Then we've got another quiz. And then finally, we get to the fun stuff. So section 4 is where we start our optimization, demo, and real testing. So here, I will show you how to run backtesting and optimization. So we'll be using this simple system as an example of a robot that we'll be optimizing, but basically all of these concepts, and this is the whole point of the course, so that you learn these concepts and then you're able to apply them in a similar fashion to any other expert advisor out there that you are evaluating. So we talk about backtesting optimization, precise optimization, forward test. So we're actually doing the practical side of things. We're running all of these optimizations and tests. And then I show you how to enable automated trading. And then we do live demo tests. So the live demo tests are going to run for 4 weeks. I'll be checking in every single week to show you how the results are going. And you're welcome to also run your own live demo tests on your demo account. And there, at the end, we will evaluate which expert advisors have succeeded through the demo test, which have not. Then I will move on to the real test. So this is the part where we kind of split, because I will be running real tests on my account. I will show you how I will be running real tests on real accounts, but with small funds. So because these are tests after all. At this stage, you will be able to just observe how I'm doing real tests and learn how to what the differences are between demo tests and real tests. So basically, I'll be using my live real account as a guinea pig to show you how real tests can compare to demo tests. And then we'll wrap up the tests, and then we're gonna have the quiz. And finally, at the end of the course, I've thrown in some additional bonus lectures on optimizations, tips and tricks. So these are some tips and tricks and hacks that I use to make my optimizations more efficient and more effective. And here you will learn quite a lot of them. So we'll talk about the recovery factor, exporting results into Excel, the genetic algorithm. There we've also got a very interesting tutorial. So one I've added recently is called the quadruple genetic algorithm walkthrough, and it's got a live example in there. So make sure to check that one out. It's got a very detailed and intuitive, in my view, very intuitive explanation of the genetic algorithm. Then we talk about rolling optimization. So another quiz over here. And finally, the course conclusion, where we will sum up everything that we've learned, and I'll wish you well on your way. So as you can see, it's quite a large course, lots of lectures, lots of fun in these lectures as well, lots of practical applications. And I can't wait to see you on the first tutorial. Let's dive straight into it. And until then, happy trading.